Hello, and welcome to the HRSA EHBs Tableau walkthrough video. Tableau is a customizable business intelligence and analytics tool that displays data in a meaningful way. The Electronic Handbooks EHBs is now using Tableau to provide helpful insights right from the Dashboards tab. In this video, we will walk through 2 ways to access Tableau: the EHBs dashboard page layout, the HRSA EHBs Tableau homepage layout, provide an overview of the site, and also walk through how to use projects, workbooks, and views. Let's talk about how to access Tableau. The first way to access Tableau dashboards is through the EHBs. The second way is to go to dashboards.hrsa.gov, which will take you directly to Tableau server. We will cover both methods of access, but for now, let's start with the EHBs. From your EHBs homepage, click on the Dashboards tab. Helpful tip: if you are teleworking, you will need to connect to HRSA Network via VPN to access the Tableau dashboards within the EHBs. On the Dashboards page, you will see all the dashboards that are available to you listed alphabetically. The availability of dashboards is dependent upon your role, bureau, and/or office. As Tableau dashboards are continuously integrated into the EHBs, you will see more dashboards here. All newly integrated Tableau dashboards will have a new icon next to them. Click on the dashboard you would like to view. You can now interact with the data and visualization. Use the filters to manipulate the dashboards and see data displayed in various ways. There is also a 508 accessible view, which displays data in a tabular format. You can download Tableau dashboard data from the EHBs. Click inside the active chart, then click Download, and choose the file format you would like to download. Dashboards that you view frequently can be added to your favorites, so they are quickly accessible to you. Just click the Favorites icon on the EHB's footer toolbar. If you want to learn more about the dashboard you are viewing, hover over the tooltip icon for a brief summary. Helpful tip: if you need more detailed information about the dashboard, click on the Wiki icon to open a wiki page that contains helpful information. Now let's take a look at Tableau server. Open a new browser and go to dashboards.hrsa.gov. Simply click Sign In, since Tableau server uses single sign-on. You can also log in using your HRSA credentials. If you have access to multiple Tableau sites, a list of sites will be displayed for you to choose from. For this example, let's choose Enterprise. Your view may vary depending on your unique permissions. If you have any questions about permissions, reach out to OIT. If you only have access to a single site, you will not see the option to choose a site. Tableau server has many pre-made reports that are useful at the team and bureau level. On the Tableau server homepage, you will see several options. On the top navigation bar, there is a search box if you already know the view you are looking for. There are also alerts, favorites, and help. For each project folder, you will see a count of the number of workbooks and views, as well as the owner and when it was created. You can change from a list view to a thumbnail view that will provide the same information in a different format. You will see tabs for projects, workbooks, and views for the site you chose. Projects are within sites to organize content. Within projects, there are workbooks, which can further organize content by various topics, all pertaining to that project. Within each site, there is a project called Data Dictionary, which is a set of information describing all the data elements that are available. Within workbooks are views or dashboards. There can be multiple views within a workbook. We will walk through all of these using an enterprise example. Remember, your view may be slightly different depending on your permissions. You will always see self-service dashboards in Tableau server. We are now on the workbook page, which has all the files published from Tableau desktop. Here, we see all the workbooks listed, along with the number of views, sheets, and size. Let's add Overview of Site Visits to our favorites. Click on the star next to the workbook name. You can verify that this workbook was added to your favorites by clicking on the star in the top navigation bar. Click on Overview of Site Visits to enter the view page. Here we see all the dashboards within the workbook. Click on Site Visit Overview to view the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can use the top bar to see each of the views or dashboards listed on the view page. You can also filter and download. We've covered a lot in this walkthrough. We reviewed how to access Tableau dashboards in the EHBs and in Tableau server. We also walked through the homepage layout and how to access the dashboard. For questions about Tableau self-service, contact the OIT EHBs Tableau support team by email at HRSA EHBs Tableau support@hrsa.gov. If you have any questions about EHBs dashboards, call the HRSA EHBs Tier 2 support at 301-443-2122 or send them an email at HRSA EHB Tier 2 support@hrsa.gov. Thanks for joining us on the HRSA EHBs Tableau walkthrough today.